Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open a garage door with my, as you can see, my spring right here. See my spring broke, and my wife got paranoid and everything. She can need to get her car out, so can't get the car out. And when you can't get your car out, when you press the garage door open, it won't open with a broken spring. So what you want to do is, let me see. First, I'm going to see if I can open it. A single door garage, you can open it on your own. Just yank this red wire right here. You yank it, pull it on your own. That's to release the tension. But on a double door, you can't yank it and open it. It's too heavy. So you gotta help it out. You gotta help the door out. So I got the garage door opener. I can't use my wife's car. So let me see. By pressing it, I'm going to help open it. But make sure you don't stand in front of the eyes. You're going to help the garage open the door. Let me see. Okay, now you're having a problem. See the tension? It's too weak by itself. So what you want to do is release this first. We go tighten the tension first. Okay, just in case something. Okay, want to release that. Now, what I want to do. Got your rod here. I'm going to tighten it a little bit more because it's too weak. So stick this here. Pull it up. Put more. Pull it up. You want to loosen it up. There's two bolts here. As you loosen this, you see the cable is getting loose over there. See the cable is getting loose? So we're going to have to tighten that cable up also. Okay, I'm going to put the rod back on. As you can see, the rod's back on. So now I gotta tighten up the cable. Also, cable on both sides. Loose the cable up. Okay, now tighten the cable back up. Just tighten by your hand. Okay. Wheel it up. Now what you want to do is on the other side also. The cable got loose on the other side also. Just loosen the two bolts here. Okay. Now I don't want to touch my wife's Beamer. That could be costing me more than my life. Alright. Let's put this back. Let's try that again. Make sure you lock it. Okay, let's try it again. Because oh shoot, woo, that was very dumb of me. No, you gotta remove this ball. Very dumb of me. Okay, there you go, it's here. Nice and easy. Yeah. So let me, okay. Try it again. Oh! Oh. Okay, that's how you open a garage door. This is a double. Oh, it's heavy. This is a double door, so double car garage door. So that's why it's a little bit harder. It's a lot heavier. So let me get the car out, and then I'm going to show you how to close it. You gotta make sure you gotta close it with the same way. Okay. Okay, this is how you close it. Make sure you just support it. Yeah, just support it. See? There you go. See it? That's how you close it. That's how you open it. It's actually temporary until my part doesn't come until next week. So after that, I'm going to show you how to install it. If you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. But that was a little handful compared to other garage door. Alright, this is a big garage door. Alright, I think it's almost like a 3-car garage door.